Hi, this is Ray Hodnett. I'm from Jungle Lasers in Allenhurst, New Jersey. We're looking at the view from Mark's office in Allenhurst. Although he often works out of Florida where he now lives, he comes up here occasionally, and this is Mark. Behind Mark is his whiteboard. I'd like to show you what we're going to talk about today. This is our cool report. We started something a long time ago where we go through and ask anybody in the office, what are you working on that's cool? And they generally show us some pretty cool things. We're always amazed at how far we move the ball with role-based and progress software. And I'd like to tell you that this is the actual chart of what we've been doing, but actually Mark's kid was in earlier and used a permanent marker on the whiteboard there, so we're trying to make the best out of it. Here's some of the things we're going to talk about today. Progress Mobile, practicing what we preach, and a cool travel site that we did integrating a CSS template into the role-based software. Here's Mark again, sitting down now, and here he is at his computer. I'm just going to get close to that to show you what we're doing.
We had started a application for a municipality in New Jersey, and they had the need to use a mobile application to go out in the field for a census. It's a census for animals, unlicensed dogs and cats. So we're able to utilize the new role-based mobile application to actually quickly create a mobile version that their interns that they take for the summer can use to go out door to door throughout the city and find any unlicensed cats and dogs. Next up on the cool report is really practicing what we preach. And we started with this. Our company started doing ordinances, ordinance.com.
Back in '97.
Back in '97, and we would send this form out. You can see the old kind of fill in the box type of form to get updates from the 1,000 or so municipalities that we have ordinances online for. Very tedious process. It's a SQL query to get all the names of the towns, send that off to a fax company, issue a broadcast fax to send out this form to each of the 1,000 of towns, and then receive it back by hand to put that in. We are since taking that and we're automating the entire process in Rollbase. And actually, I don't have the screen up here, but we put it in Progress Rollbase, and our people are extremely happy that we're using our knowledge of role-based application development to take a huge workload off of their hands. One of this thing, this is definitely in the cool report. There's a new client, a tour company that does tours for school groups, other types of groups, and they want a flashy site for their homepage. So we created a nice flashy looking site with the CSS template, and we're able to integrate their application, their role-based application, which allows them to manage all of their tours. And this is actually a framed in role-based portal into the CSS template, so that if they make any updates to the text of the individual tours, it shows up on the site. It's also
So the text is in a role-based backend, and it comes through the template and shows through.
correct. Also, if they click, if someone's looking at the site, wants a free quote, this is now a framed-in role-based portal form. They fill out the form, and all the information goes directly into the client's role-based tools, role-based app that we're using. There's also a teachers area and a parents area where the parents and or teachers will log in to make payments through PayPal and check in on what the schedule is for the child's tour.
All right, that's a quick, cool report from our side of the Atlantic.